Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to sign up to Suno AI account. So guys, go to Google to your device and search for Suno AI login or sign up and click the first result as you can see here and click sign in. And to create account or to sign up, guys, you have Google and Apple and Discord and Microsoft. And my case, guys, I have Google and I will sign up to Google and click on the best email you have and wait a minute and I log into my account and I sign up successfully, guys. This is how you can do, guys, easily. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And any question, guys, down below and comment here and I will happy to answer your question. And this is the video today. Keep watching, guys.